We'll guide you through how to integrate Claude with GitHub. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the GitHub website. Make sure you're logged into your GitHub account. Once you're there, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Applications tab on the left-hand side and click on it. Under Applications, you'll see an option for Authorized OAuth apps. Click on that to see a list of apps currently authorized with your GitHub account. Now, switch over to the Claude platform in a new tab. Log in if you haven't already, and navigate to the integration settings. Here, you'll find an option to connect to GitHub. Click on Connect GitHub, and you'll be redirected to a GitHub authorization page. Review the permissions that Claude is requesting, then click Authorize to allow access. Once authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to Claude. Now, you can customize your integration settings, such as choosing which repositories Claude can access and setting up specific triggers for when Claude should interact. Make sure to save all changes before exiting. This integration allows Claude to automatically interact with your GitHub repositories, pull requests, or issues based on the triggers you've set. It's a great way to automate tasks and streamline your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.